Hey YouTube family! Welcome to another video. Thank you again, like I always say in all my videos. Really, thank you for deciding to click on this video and watching it. I appreciate it. So today let's talk about five reasons why you are not enjoying your lot journey. And if you're not enjoying your lot journey, this video is for you. Share it with a friend. Share it with a family member. Share it with anyone that you think is having a difficult time with your lot journey. They're not enjoying it, they're really stressed out about it, and they're just not feeling it. Share this video. Alright, let's talk. Let's lean back so we can talk. By the way, check out my ear cuff. I got this from Keisha Charmaine. I went to an event, was it last year or a few years back, and I got this ear cuff from her. So if you guys are wondering, this is an ear cuff from Keisha Charmaine. Yes. Anyway, back to the main topic at hand because I can definitely go off topic. Number one, the reason why you started your locks to begin with. How do I say this? If you start your locks for somebody else because somebody else said to start your locks and you really didn't want to do it, but you did it for that person anyway, chances are you might not enjoy the journey because you're doing it for that person, not for yourself. Now, there are occasions where someone influenced you or motivated you to start your locks and you probably did do it for them, but then it turned around where you end up loving it anyway and you started loving it for yourself. That's not what I'm talking about. Those are situations that are rare, but they do happen. But if you started your locks because someone else said, oh, I would love for you to have locks, I want you to have locks, I'm gonna, you should start locks for me, you started for you, but you really don't love it, and you're in the whole journey, but you really don't love it, and you're still doing it because it makes that person happy, it's not worth it. It really is not worth it. Chances are you're not gonna, it's not worth it. Don't do it. It's best you do what makes you happy. And if it's not locks, then it's not locks. To be honest, if it's not locks, it's not. So do what makes you happy. Number two, and I've discussed this like so many times on my channel. Number two is lock envy or comparing yourself to somebody else that has locks. You are not going to achieve the exact locks like someone else. And because you're comparing yourself so much to that other person's lock, you can't appreciate the one that you have. You can't appreciate your own hair. Love yours, or if you don't love yours, create the one that you do want. Create the one that you love. Create what makes you happy. Stop comparing yourself to somebody else's lock journey because you don't know what they're going through to get what they have. You don't know. Love yours, love what you got. There's nothing greater, nothing in the world that is greater than what you already have yourself. Nothing compares. Nothing that nobody else has is better than what you have. Trust and believe. Number three, negative people. Listening to negative people tell you negative things about locks. Let negative people stay in their negative space with their negative thoughts, their negative terminology, their negative ideas, their negative beliefs, their everything negative. Leave them by themselves. You understand what you're going through, you understand the reason why you want to do this, and you understand the beauty of it. Don't let anyone negative deter you from keeping your locks or making you happy with your locks. Even though I've had my locks for many, many years now, and I get so many compliments on my hair, I still have negative people that do say bad things about my hair, but that's their business. I love it. I love my hair. That's their problem. It doesn't bother me. I just give them a hair flip and keep it moving. Whatever negative people say about your hair, don't let it affect you. I know it's easier said than done, but sometimes that person usually has something wrong with them, or even that they're envious of you that you can carry this lock style and they can't, so they try to bring you down. Just remember that. If you really, really love your hair and people are telling you otherwise, it's because they're insecure with themselves most of the time. Facts. Having this craving, having this desire, having this urge, this crazy urge to try to achieve perfection when a perfection does not exist when it comes to locks. Like, you'll do so much to achieve these perfect locks that don't exist. No one has perfect locks. Perfect locks are whatever you make it out to be. Trying to load up on all these extra products, extra things, doing extra tricks with your locks, doing this and doing that, Trying to focus on achieving perfection that doesn't exist will drive you crazy, and it will make you hate your lock journey. And it will make you hate your locks because you're thinking your locks are not perfect, when in reality no one's hair is perfect. It's just perfect in their own eyes. And last but not least is the fact that your lock style does not match your lifestyle. And what that means is you get a certain type of lock because someone else has it, but it's not what you really want and it doesn't match your lifestyle. Like, you see locks that are very well taken care of, they're always freshly retwisted, but you live an active lifestyle. You want to swim, you want to work out, you want to play this sport, play that sport, but you want your locks to look freshly retwisted every day? It's not gonna happen. Unless you're gonna damage your locks by retwisting it every time you play an activity, it's really not gonna happen. For you, you might have to think about interlocking. You love sister locks. You want sister locks. However, you don't have the patience to get it interlocked. You don't have the time to get it interlocked, and you don't have the money to get it interlocked. So because you don't have any of those things, you're complaining and you start hating your locks because you can't take care of it the way it needs to be taken care of in the sister lock format. You start hating your locks. That's your fault. That's a personal problem that you have. You should have made sure your lock style matches your lifestyle. If you don't have the money to get sister locks, then you should do micro locks and then maintain it yourself. Or you should do maybe traditional locks, but not as big if you want smaller locks, so that you can have the ability to retwist if you want to. Make sure your lifestyle matches your lock style. Those are my five reasons why you're not enjoying your lock journey. If you guys have more reasons that I didn't think of, because I'm sure there are plenty more, go ahead and discuss them in the comment section. Leave comments so that we can discuss it as well. Make sure you are enjoying your journey. Make sure you're not doing any of these things. Enjoy your journey, love your locks, and just be happy on your journey. That is all. Any questions, like I said, leave them in the comment section. If you want to know more about me, check the description bar. I usually have my commonly asked questions down there in the description bar as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you have a fantastic day, and don't forget to always enjoy your journey. I'm out. Bye.